Okay guys, so guess whom I met? One of the guy I used to watch. His video used to entertain me so bad, and I love most of his video because he also keep English subtitle. So by the name, welcome my brother, Kong
Hello.
Trash. Hello bro.
Hello, brother.
Yeah. How are you doing?
I'm doing very fine. I'm doing very good. Welcome to Meghalaya.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So how's Meghalaya?
Meghalaya is so good.
So how's
Whenever I'm in
people of
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya?
They are
Something about people of Meghalaya.
you know, people of Meghalaya, they are so friendly, so lovely people. Because of them only I came here. Yeah, people are so good, man. And even the place so natural, amazing. Just like the people themselves.
Yes.
And you know what?
I find it very difficult. You know, you're so tall and I'm so short.
No problem with that. So you know, guys, we just met like unexpected, and we were just chilling in the PB market. And my friend was here like, this is Kong. I was like, Kong, no way I can live without taking photo with Kong.
Yes.
Yeah, I love your content, brother.
Yes, please subscribe to Gabi Reaction. Is it
Yes,
Gabi
yes.
Reaction?
Yes.
Gabi Reaction.
Gabs, Gabi.
Yes, Gabs
Gabi
Gabi.
Reaction.
Gabs,
Gabs
Gabi.
Gabi Reaction. Subscribe to Gabs Gabi Reaction. Watch all the reaction videos.
Yeah.
Bagi subscribers yang elok yang faham subscribe
Yeah,
channel lu.
I need you to teach me one of your comedy, like funny words you used to say.
Just say rap re.
Rap, pa,
Re.
rapare. Rapare. This is our upcoming song collaboration.
Do you know what does it mean? Rap
I don't know. Tell
It
me.
means you are useless.
You are useless. You the one you are watching. Kong is telling you are rapare.
You are the one who watching, you are useless. Yeah.
Okay, no raz. Okay. So it was nice meeting you, brother. Thank you
Yes,
so
nice
much.
to meet you, bro.
Yeah. God bless you all. Okay.
Okay.
Rapare, bye. Rapare. Okay. You know actually what? Like Kong Trash. You know why I didn't recognize him?
Why?
Like because in most of his video, like he used to wear these wigs, those ladies hair.
Just like
Yeah.
ladies reaction.
Yeah, how he used like
Ladies version.
even now I
Female
was
version.
if it wasn't you, then I wouldn't believe that it was Kong. Yeah, but most of his video Kong.
Kong Trash, you know the real name?
Yeah. Kong Trash is like
What is
useless lady.
No.
Huh?
Real name. His real name.
His real name I don't know. I don't know. Chu.
No.
His channel name is like
Chuyung.
Chu Young. Yeah.
yeah.
Chu Young. His channel.
No.
Is that his name?
No, it's not. It's not his name.
Okay.
His real name is Kinpam.
Kinpam.
Kinpam Lamurong.
Kinpam Lamuram.
Lamurong.
Lamu
Wrong.
wrong.
Yes.
Okay. What about the Chung? That
Chuyung.
name? Chu Young.
Chuyung is the channel. Yeah.
His channel name. What does it mean?
Channel. Means family.
Okay, family. Yeah. So for me, I just get to know him by the name Kong Trash. And you know, Kong mean lady, right?
Yeah, Kong.
Then trash is just English word, trash.
Trash.
Yeah. So he usually just act wearing those ladies dress and the wigs. And it's so funny, guys. It's so funny. So funny. His music also, like his music is so entertaining and so enjoyable.
He acts as a mother reaction.
Yeah. And what I love the most, what I love the most,
What you love the most?
what I love the most of his videos was that rap battle between the mother and the son. Mother and the son.
Mother and the son?
Yeah, he met.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, they were just insulting each other, and it was so fun and crazy, man. So it's good that I met him, guys. Yeah, nice. Yeah, hi. Yeah, it was nice meeting you, Kong Trash. Okay, you are Kong Trash for real, man. But your video are so entertaining.
For real.
Yeah, so that's good. Good. We just met by mistake. We didn't expect that. Yeah.